As winter wraps our homes in a blanket of snow and ice, one question arises. Should you cover your heat pump? It may seem like a simple solution, but did you know covering them incorrectly can do more harm than good? Many homeowners wonder if they should shield their heat pumps from winter wrath. It's a valid concern, yet the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. The cover conundrum revolves around one crucial fact. The right cover is key, but not all covers are created equal. Enter the specialized heat pump cover, a blend of protection and performance. The ideal cover is robust, weather-resistant, and designed with ventilation in mind. It's a shield that not only conceals, but also breathes. Look for covers with shutters that hide yet allow essential airflow. Snow and ice can be a heat pump's nemesis. These frosty foes might look harmless but can hinder your heat pump's performance. So don't let them accumulate. Regularly clearing these elements is crucial for uninterrupted efficiency. Thinking of adding a roof over your heat pump? Consider this. While a roof may shield from heavy snowfall, it could hamper heat exchange. Your heat pump needs room to breathe. A full cover can suffocate its efficiency. The art of covering a heat pump lies in balancing protection and performance. It's about creating a shield against harsh elements without hindering airflow or system operations. A well-ventilated cover can be your heat pump's best friend in winter. Last but not least, safeguard your outdoor unit. Steer clear of sharp tools when removing snow and maintain a 2-foot clearance around the unit. The best defense? A durable, weather-resistant, and breathable cover. A durable, weather-resistant, and breathable cover is your go-to solution. With the right cover and care, your heat pump can be a reliable source of warmth, even in the heart of winter. Remember, balancing protection and performance is key. Choose a durable, weather-resistant, and breathable cover. Stay cozy and efficient,